Getting rid of bed bugs can be tricky, but with the right steps, you can eliminate them. Here's how, and I'll leave it in the description. Number one, identify the problem. Look for the signs of the bed bugs, such as tiny brown spots on your mattress or bites on your skin. Number two, clean your bed. Wash all your sheets, your pillowcases, and blankets in hot water. Dry them, looking for cops, dry them on the highest setting to kill any bed bugs and their eggs. Now, number three, vacuum thoroughly. Use a vacuum to clean your mattress, your box spring. What am I doing? Your mattress, your box spring, and surrounding areas. Be sure to get into the cracks and crevices. After vacuuming, seal the vacuum bag tightly and throw it away outside. Number four, encase mattresses and the pillows. So use bed bug proof encasements on your mattress and pillows. So basically this traps the bugs inside and it prevents new ones from getting in. Use heat or cold, so bed bugs can't survive extreme temperatures. You can use a steamer on furniture and baseboards or freeze small items in a freezer for a few days. Number six, call a professional. If the problem persists, it might be time to hire pest control experts. They have special tools and treatments to eliminate the bed bugs efficiently. But before you spend your money, try the other steps that came before. Number seven, stay vigilant. After the treatment, keep checking for signs of bed bugs and maintain good cleaning habits to prevent future infestations.